Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between two SEO research platform, which is SpyFu and Riven2. So to get started with the in-depth side-by-side comparison about the two platforms, SpyFu in 2025 is a dedicated powerhouse for keyword research and competitors' intelligence. It lets you see exactly what keywords your competitors rank for, their paid search campaign, and historical trend that reveal gaps and opportunities for marketers and agencies focused on building high-performing SEO or PPC strategies. SpyFu depth of keywords, data, and competitors' insight make it a strong and a specialized choice. Riven2, meanwhile, it's a broader marketing and a reporting platform. It does include keyword tracking and research, but its real strength lies in combining SEO, PPC, and social metric into one place for easy client reporting. It's great for agencies managing multiple channels, yet its keyword research feature aren't as advanced or competitors focus as SpyFu. And here's the very conclusion. In 2025, go with SpyFu if you want the best keyword research and competitors analysis, but choose Riven2 if you need all-in-one reporting suite with keyword tracking as part of a wider marketing toolkit. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Leave it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.